Welcome to the Ask Kalefi podcast, coming at you live from the lab. Guys, what do we got going on?
Plumbing, hydronics, expert insights, and a few stories from the trenches.
Whether you're on the job or just along for the ride,
We've got you covered. Welcome back to the Ask Kalefi podcast, coming at you live from the lab. Guys, are we into zoning over here or not?
We are zoning now.
We are in the zone.
We're zoning in. Matt, you're over there laughing.
I'm zoned out.
You're zoned out. Totally zoned out. He just kind of laughed and looked at the wall. Yep.
I'm zoned out right
I'm
now.
zoned out right now.
All right.
Oh, man.
Well, let's reel him back in.
Okay. Matt, we're going to put you on the hot seat after all. You tried bailing out of the hot seat, and we're just going to put you right back in it. So what are the types of zoning? I mean, these are pretty simple for us, but some people aren't real familiar with zoning, or they don't do a lot of it. They just go in and it's a boiler heating a bunch of baseboard, or it's an old system that's, it's cast iron radiators.
Well, I think that's the advantage with a hydronic system. So, you look at a home, you could have one thermostat, a boiler, pump comes on, and that whole building heats off of that one thermostat. But having the controls and pumps and valves available now, we can take a home and divide it into multiple areas, multiple different thermostats, improves the comfort.
Yeah. And I think it's kind of a confusing and intimidating thing, because you see a control, right? If you have the control, you should be able to do it. But if it's not plumbed for it, there's other things to attack with that as well. And I think we should discuss that aside from just the control side of it, but we'll start with the control side of it and dive into